In this video, we'll initialize the views of the second activity and generate random numbers. Let's start by the views. Don't miss, import the class, the button, and the text view. In the onCreate method, I'll find the views by using the findViewById method. In the previous video, we learned how to pass the name to second activity, how to pass a string to a second activity using the put extra. In this video, we'll learn how to receive the data and store them into specific variables. So I'm using again intent instance I equal to get intent. This method allows us to get the key value pairs that are stored in the put extra method. Get intent method will retrieve these key and value pairs, the name and the value of it, which is the username, get it from the edit text. Alt plus enter to import the intent class. Then I need to get this intent and store it inside a username string equal I.get string extra. What is the key? The key here is the name. So I'll copy it because it's a case sensitive. So pay attention to this, guys. Here I get the intent information, getting all the data. Then I am getting here the I.get string extra. I am specifying the key in order to get the value and store it inside the username variable. This is how we get the data from intent from the main activity. Now, let's move to generate random numbers and learn about the random class. I'll create a new function called generate random number. I'll start by creating an instance from a random class, which is in Java. I'll name it as random equal to new random. The random class in Android is a part of the Java standard library and is used to generate random numbers and random data. It allows you to create instances that can generate pseudo-random numbers using various algorithms. In Android, you can use random class to generate random numbers for various purposes, such as generating random values for testing, creating random game scenarios, shuffling lists, and more. I'll start defining the upper limit, which is the maximum number that this random class can generate numbers up to it, which is 1000. I'll start with int random number generated. I'm going to store the random number generated from the random class into random number generated variable. Random dot next int. And here I specify the upper limit that the random class can generate. So it will generate randoms from 0 up to 1000. And then I return this random number generated because the returning type of this method is int.